Because as society keeps changing in its different forms and dynamics, new leaders in different generations keeps joining and others fade off, others keep joining. It's a movement. Our founding fathers, them are still serving, which is very important for us to note. Others have faded off. We are there. We are now growing old in the revolution. Our time is coming. We shall also fade off. We need to recruit more people to come for the revolution to keep moving. And so it's an honor that you young people are coming to join. Now, we recruit discipline, loyalty above anything, and patience. You need to practice revolutionary patience. When you join NRM, you should understand the speed at which the movement moves. Don't be too fast. Don't be too slow. Make sure you adjust to the speed of the movement. And also commitment and loyalty. Not everything might be as you expect. Not everything should be as you want. But that revolutionary discipline, that you keep hoping for the best, you keep contributing for the best, is what makes the movement move. So I thank you so much, and thank you for reminding us that our core principles are not to fight opposition. Oppositions are not our enemies. Those are comrades in the struggle to liberate Uganda from backwardness, illiteracy, poverty. Now those are the things we should all face. That we need to make sure all young people are educated, all young people are sensitized, all young people are healthy, all young people are in productive sectors. And when you do that, you are not only contributing for the movement, but also for the country. Because whether you are in opposition or in NRM, poverty doesn't have political shade. Sicknesses doesn't have political shades. Illiteracy is the same. When you go to the slums, those who stay in the slums, others support opposition, others support NRM, but they're all in the slums. So our effort as revolutionaries, as you young revolutionaries, that to help refocus society to look at critical issues, not to look at parochial issues of religion, tribes, political affiliation. Those things don't matter much. What matters is help the community within which you come to be focused in production and productive sectors, and to make sure that they guard themselves against the danger that affects mankind. And that is all. So when we see our comrades in opposition trying to redefine leadership in a different way, we only help them to understand that we compete in ideas, not in enmity. We are not enemies to all these parties. We are only their elder brothers. We are showing them the way to lead. Leadership is scientific. It's not just emotional. The national chairman of the party keeps reminding us that we as leaders, we are like social doctors. A doctor's work is to diagnose the society problems, prescribe the medicine, and monitor, and to make sure that it progresses. And so that is how we approach leadership. And so you, especially as young people, it is very exciting that educated young people are joining NRM to become preachers of the gospel of change, transformation for the better for this country. So I welcome you, and I wish you well. We don't support you before the primaries, but after primaries, when you are the flag bearer, we shall own you officially as a party. But for now, we know you are competing with others. We wish you the best. If you succeed, the better. If you don't give up. Come back and we work together. We are also encouraging young people to come, and there are skills that we need from young people. The population structure that we are operating within, 70 to 80% of the current population are young people, your age mates. And so to improve on our communication mechanism. So we would like young people to come and give us ideas on how we can improve on reaching out to the young people. Because we are still on the traditional methods that we have to go on TV, then after TV, news at 9, And yet young people are on social media, TikToks, Snapchats, and those things. So we need you people to come and manage that space, which the party requires that should be improved. So we shall have a discussion with you. If you have any of your comrades who can help us there, we shall see how to work with them, because we need to have a vibrant media group. We need a digital media team that will engage young people digitally, because we are still lacking there. That is something that I can throw to you, because the men in suits should be able to know digital world. I think I welcome you and thank you so much. And from now on, I hope you are registered in our book. You are a fully member of the party. We have been received with all your delegation. And we request that you bring more people to join NRM and volunteer as foot soldiers of the party. But the most important thing is be the agent of change in your home district, in your village, in your family. That is how the president started. He became a change agent in his own community, and then he started expanding from that to rescuing the whole country.